Today we are looking at the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Crew Cab in Reef Blue Metallic. This truck is powered by a 2.7-liter TurboMax engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Let's take a look. As we take a look at the interior, the first thing we're going to highlight are these beautiful gray leather seats. These seats feature heating and ventilation in the front row. The interior is finished in jet black and Artemis. Your steering wheel holds your controls for cruise control, media controls, and more. Behind the steering wheel, you'll find your controls for windshield wipers, high beams, and your digital gauge cluster. Below, you can find your controls for lights and trailer brake settings. The driver's side door panel contains power controls for locks, windows, and mirrors, as well as memory seat settings. Power seat controls can be found on the sides of the driver and passenger seats. As we jump inside, we can take a look in the center of the dash at the media and infotainment touchscreen, compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Google apps such as Maps and Assistant. Below this screen, you'll find your climate controls, as well as your controls for heated and ventilated seats in the front row. Here you can find plenty of options such as auto start stop, your locking differential, and more. The center column features a wireless charging pad, 2 USB ports, your drive mode selector, and your gear shifter. The center console offers loads of room for storage. As we take a look at the exterior, the first thing we're going to highlight, of course, is this beautiful Reef Blue Metallic paint, as well as the black front grille with the red Chevy logo, and the AEV off-roading front bumper. Below, this Colorado sits on 17-inch gloss black wheels. Along the exterior, you'll notice plenty of black accents, such as mirror caps, door handles, side guards, and more. As we head towards the rear, you'll notice tinted rear windows, as well as the AEV rear bumper. You can take a look at the cargo area, equipped with spray-on bed liner, 120-volt charging port, and your spare wheel. As we take a look at the back seat, your second row passengers are greeted with USB charging, cup holders in the back of the center console, and pull-down cup holders in the center seat. Behind the rear seats, you'll find a manual rear window. These seats can also be lifted up for additional storage. Look up and you'll find that beautiful power sunroof allowing sunlight into the vehicle. And that is the 2026 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2 Crew Cab in Reef Blue Metallic. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team and we'll be happy to help.